Learn English. Hello. Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every day with word games. Today's game is verbs. It will start easy and then it will get more difficult for all levels. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. This one is like this. Type. Like this. Can you type fast with 10 fingers? To type a letter or an email on a word processor. Number 2. Bob. Us. By coming to work early this morning. This means he's usually not early. He surprised us by coming to work early. To surprise somebody by doing something. Does Jennifer tennis or basketball? This means which one does she like more? And the first missing letter is an R. Prefer. Does Jennifer prefer tennis or basketball? She prefers tennis. She prefers to play tennis, correct? She prefers playing tennis, also correct. I have a document, a paper with writing. I want to. This means you want to make one more, exactly the same. I want to copy it. We use it two ways, to copy a document and also to copy somebody if they have a certain hairstyle and you do the same as them, especially in high school. Her children want to play soccer on a team, but first she has to go there and tell them, kind of like signing up. She has to tell them the age of the children and maybe she has to pay. Register. She will register her children for soccer tomorrow. Similar to sign up. Did you a lot of joy? This means to live through something. Experience. Did you experience a lot of joy? To experience something is similar to live through something. This means they're gonna use or include. Incorporate. When you are sewing, you have to thread the needle. If you want to get a promotion, you should. This means to be forceful and to show confidence. You should assert yourself more at meetings. The machine will a movie onto the screen, kind of like throw. It will project a movie onto the screen. Bye-bye.